Look at us. We're outside the car. Hi. Hello you guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video on my channel. Today's video is me coming back with a vloggy type of video, and yeah, we're just like outdoors in the nature, and I thought I'd teach you some things while we are out. So my friends are over there, need to go follow them, and this is like a really nice place. It's filled with olive trees. They're everywhere. I'm coming! Look at the beautiful trees. Such a beautiful place. Okay, let me take you to see my friends. It's finally springtime, finally. I'm so happy. And like, I'm wearing a t-shirt because I want to celebrate the sun and like summer coming. So yeah, but let's show you. Oops, where am I gonna get? There are a lot of rocks in here, let me show you. There are a lot of rocks in here. Lulu, what do you want to do? Lulu, you are on YouTube. Yes. She's literally hiding her face. And you ladies, do you want to be on YouTube? ليه?
Say hi. أنا شجرة.
Say that in English. How do you say أنا شجرة in English?
أنا أتري. أنا أفور.
Oh, this is such a beautiful flower. Shadi, I want you to take a video of me next to this flower. Do you know?
هذا جسر.
Oh, you have to tell me in English. What's the meaning of jisr in English? Okay, this is a very beautiful flower. Wow. What color is this, Lulu? Purple. What about this? What's this? What is this? I don't know. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. They're gonna know. This is a bridge. The sun, beautiful sun. Look at the colors. My friends are also enjoying their time. What are they doing?
Walk.
They're walking, exactly. Yeah. How do you feel, Shushu, about being out in the nature?
Amazing.
Yes, it feels amazing and it feels marvelous and divine. And those beautiful flowers, like those beautiful purple flowers, I love them so much. And you know, the best thing is, like the very sound of like quiet and peace, apart from my friend shouting, but the sound, oh my god, I haven't heard this like peace and quiet and silence in a very long time. But look at this, look at the beauty, love this. I don't know what this is called, so if you know, let us know in the comments. And also here, and my friends are doing photo shoot. Okay, they're loving each other. My friend and her daughter. Look at this. So it's very sunny. I can't open my eyes. There's a car. Okay, what's the word you were asking about?
مجرى المياه.
مجرى المياه.
مجاري مي.
There is a difference between saying مجرى المياه and مجاري.
المجاري للشط، المية للمي.
Look at this beautiful olive tree branch. Wow. A beautiful branch. Wow. Okay, so the one that you asked about, المجاري, which is technically the bad water, it means sewers. or the gutter. Yeah, that's technically the meaning. But مجرى المياه is like the water flow. Yeah, not waterfall. Yeah, waterfall is like the yeah, exactly. But the water flow is like yeah. Okay. كثير بنحب بعض كثير. The sound of the insects. It's crazy. There are a lot of wildflowers. My friend is picking this plant that I don't know what it's called. Shomar in Arabic. I have no clue what it is in English. And also you have this. The ants. They're very huge.
A huge one.
And scary.
خفيش.
And yeah. You also should show them the other plants that you picked. What do you fancy doing?
على راسي ريشة. راسي شومر. شوفي المفلسات هذول.
What type of plants are these?
شومر.
No, like not the name, like the type. Like they are not watered by people.
Wild, yeah, wild.
They are wild plants, and also they're like can we consider them organic?
أيوة, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
They're organic because like no humans or like human-made stuff included in planting them. So yeah. Oh, these are the plants that my friend picked. We have sage, which she's gonna kill me now if I drop. and we have rosemary and shomar. I don't know what shomar is. I need to Google it. There's also this very beautiful, very beautiful big tree behind me. And this is a very big tree that I'm gonna Google what it's called because it's خروب, but I don't know what خروب is. Like شو ايش هاي الشجرة؟ شو بتطلع؟
خروب العصير اللي بيعملوا منه عصير الخروب
وبيعملوا الخبيصة
رب الخروب. ما بدي اعمل خروب.
Okay, I have no clue what that is, but yeah, we'll Google it. Let's get like outside the car. Hi! No recuerdo. Aunque la vida pasa, yo estaré en mi casa. Ahí donde estás tú. Aunque la vida pasa, حاسة حالي فيديو كليب هون على فكرة رسمي. Crazy. Look at the people, they're crazy. Look at the people. Lulu, you are crazy. I die at the party. So we are doing crazy stuff. We're getting out of the car.